Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove parental controls in Epic Games. First, open the Epic Games launcher. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon, then select Account. This will open your account settings in your web browser. Sign into your Epic Games account if prompted. Once you're logged in, click Parental Controls from the menu on the left. You'll be asked to enter your parental controls PIN. If you've already created one, simply enter it to continue. If you haven't set up a PIN before, you'll need to create one first and confirm it. If you've forgotten your PIN, click Forgot Your PIN, then confirm the request. Check the email address linked to your Epic Games account and open the PIN reset email. Click the Reset Your PIN link, then create a new PIN. After accessing the parental controls settings, you can disable the restrictions. Turn off the main parental controls option, set the content rating to unrated, disable any remaining restrictions, and make sure the permissions are set to everyone where applicable. Once you've saved your changes, the parental controls will be removed from your Epic Games account. That's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.